Good morning, students. This is the part 6 of our chapter number 7. I love Gujarat. We were writing exercise in our notebook. In that, we have already written choose the correct options, fill in the blanks, right or wrong, and one match the following. I told you we will write two match, right? So this is the second one. Draw the columns A, B, and a small column for answer. Okay. In that, in A part, we will write the name of animals. So you can write animals, and in the B, the name of a century. A is animal, B, name of century. Now in A part, the first one, that is Godkhar, wild ass. Second, bear. Second, bear. Third, it is black buck. Black buck. 4, lion. 5, saber. Now in the B portion, the name of a century. In that A, Jaisar, Jassore. Jaisar. B, it is Gir Sasan. Gir Sasan. C, Kutch. C, Kutch. D, Baradi-Pada. Baradi. Baradi. Pada. E, Bhavnagar. E, Bhavnagar. Now the answers. Where is the Godkhar, wild ass century? Yes, it is in Kutch. So in first answer will come C. What will come? C. Second, it is bear. Bear. Where is the century for bear? Yes, it is Jaisar. So A. Third, it is black buck. Where is the century of black buck? It is Bhavnagar. E. Fourth, lion. Yes, Gir Sasan. B. And saber, it is D. Baradi-Pada. So these are the answers. Okay, C, A, E, B, D. These are the answers. Now, leave 2 lines and give the heading. Answer the following questions in short. Answer the following questions in short. Question number 1. What do you mean by migratory birds? What do you mean by migratory birds? Answer we have already written in the important points in the starting of the chapter. Right? Birds coming from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. Birds coming from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. Question number 2. What do you mean by a century? What do you mean by a century? That answer also we have written in the important points. A protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and can breed and can breed is known as century. Is known as century. Question number 3. Which town of Kutch is also called the town of Flamingo? The town of Flamingo. In that answer, Abdasa of Kutch is also called the town of Flamingo. Abdasa of Kutch is also called the town of Flamingo. Question number 4. Where is the biggest fishery center of Gujarat? Where is the biggest fishery center of Gujarat? Where is it? Yes, it is the Veeraval. Answer: Veeraval is the biggest fishery center of Gujarat. Veeraval is the biggest fishery center of Gujarat. Next, question number 5. Where is shipbreaking industry flourishing in Gujarat? Where is the shipbreaking industry flourishing in Gujarat? Where is it? Yes, it is the Alang port. Okay. Answer: shipbreaking industry is flourishing at Alang port. Is flourishing at Alang port in Bhavnagar district. Question number 6. Which trees grow in the forest of Dang? In the forest of Dang. Answer: bamboo, sadad, SADAD. Then Hadarvo, HADD, HARVO. These names are already given in the textbook. You can see from there also. Right? It is given on page number 54 of textbook. Then sisam, bamboo, sadad, hadarvo, sisam, timru, etc. trees grow in the forest of Dang. Okay, we have written 6 short answers. We will continue it in the next video. Thank you.